Alright, give me a second. After I finish up the tongue twisters, what I'm going to do is re-record all of my old videos that I originally planned to edit, but haven't gotten around to yet. And I'll put those out. I'm going to use that to create my buffer zone. But there we go. Now that I have it pulled up, here are the tongue twisters for the letter S. She sells seashells by the seashore. 7 slick, slimy snakes sliding slowly southward. Snakes aren't actually slimy, by the way. Susie's shirt shop sells preshrunk shirts. The sad soldier should shoot soon. That has some bad implications in it. 66 sick 6 shooters. She sells seashells by the seashore. 7 slick, slimy snakes sliding slowly southward. Susie's shirt shop sells preshrunk shirts. The sad soldier should shoot soon. The sad soldier should shoot soon. 66 sick 6 shooters. She sells seashells by the seashore. She sells seashells by the seashore. She sells seashells by the seashore. 7 slick, slimy snakes sliding slowly southward. Why can I not say my S's today? 7 slick, slimy snakes sliding slowly southward. Susie's shirt shop sells preshrunk shirts. Susie's shirt shop sells preshrunk shirts. Susie's shirt shop sells preshrunk shirts. The sad soldier should shoot soon. The sad soldier should shoot soon. The sad soldier should shoot soon. 66 sick 6 shooters. 66 sick 6 shooters. 66 sick 6 shooters. There's the S's that I apparently cannot say at all right now. And a plan for what I'm going to do for the next set of videos. Until then, thank you very much. Sorry, that's not what I say. Thank you for listening, if anyone's even been listening.